We going in. We going in. Health is wealth, you guys. Gotta eat healthy for sure. I've been slipping a little bit, you know. Been eating some fried foods and that stuff will not work with my body for sure. Start bringing me out, blowing me up, and everything else. I ain't got time. So I had to go ahead and whip up some of this grilled chicken. Um, we got some vegetables popping. And I like all my stuff well done, you guys. So, you know, some of y'all like y'all's a little crunch to it, but I don't. Got Brussels sprouts, carrots, kale. Did I say broccoli? Yeah, broccoli, cabbage. We got some snap peas in here. Um, some onions and peppers. It's teriyaki. I'm rolling with it. And I did put a little more water to it because I didn't want all the teriyaki sauce as far as like the salt intake. Like I said, trying to eat healthy, okay? You do the same. Thanks a lot for watching, share, and subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell because I'll bring you some more and less videos on this feed. Peace, peace.